Hey, Brian from Garage Hall, and here with Aiden, my grandson. He's going to help out today. We have the Kids Dream Electric Baby Nasal Aspirator. This thing's pretty cool, right? You like it? So in the box, this is everything that you get inside. And this is the basic nasal aspirator. And you have a bunch of different tips. This one's 0 to 2. And basically you just kind of like plop it on. And then you have these other tips are for 2 years old or older. And this is kind of like to get the little bigger pieces. Be very careful how you use that. And then, you don't like this? Try it again. Okay, he doesn't like that. So, to turn this on, you basically hold the button in for about 3 seconds. And it'll turn on. And it's got a bunch of different speeds. 5 speeds all together. And then you hit it, and then we'll go back down. If I get the right side. So this side increases, and this side decreases the speed. And then this goes into a light and sound show, right? Then I'll turn that off. And then basically what you're doing, you're moving around a lot. You know that, right? So what you're doing is you want to make sure that you have your baby, your child sitting upright as much as possible. You definitely don't want to do this laying down, and basically you don't want to exceed half full, which I mean is going to be a lot anyway, but make sure that you clean this properly, you know, in hot water after you're completely done. And what you're doing is you just basically kind of, it's a moving target. He's kicking like crazy. So I think I'm gonna like hold him still while mom comes in. Mom's gonna do that. Okay, ready? And then you want to keep it moving. Oops, watch your eyes. Watch your eyes. So they are gonna struggle a little because it's kind of uncomfortable. But you basically want to get it in there, and you want to keep like moving, and you want to do it like, you know, just like quick little bursts here and there. And other than that, be safe. But that is your Kids Dream nasal aspirator, right? You like that part of it. I know. Me too. You know, it's a cool tune. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Be safe out there. Okay, thanks for watching.